Short stories in English. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States of America. He served as president for 5 years, from 1861 until his assassination by John Wilkes Booth in 1865. Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809, the second child of Thomas Lincoln and Nancy Hanks Lincoln. He was born in poverty in a one-room log cabin on Sinking Spring Farm, near Hodgenville, Kentucky. When he was 9 years old, his mother, Nancy Lincoln, died of milk sickness, leaving 11-year-old Sarah in charge of a household. 10 years later, Sarah died while giving birth to a stillborn son. Lincoln was extremely upset over his sister's death. In 1819, his father married Sarah Bush Johnston, a widow from Elizabethtown, Kentucky, with 3 children of her own. He became close to his stepmother and called her mother. Lincoln disliked the hard labor associated with farm life. His family even said he was lazy. His stepmother acknowledged he did not enjoy physical labor, but loved to read. Lincoln was primarily self-educated, with intermittent formal schooling from traveling teachers of less than 12 months in total. He became an avid reader and retained a lifelong interest in learning. As a teen, Lincoln took responsibility for chores and customarily gave his father all earnings from work outside the home until age 21. Lincoln was an affectionate husband and father of 4 sons, although, due to his work, he was regularly absent from home. The oldest, Robert Todd Lincoln, was born in 1843 and was Lincoln's only child to live to maturity. In 1832, Lincoln joined with a partner, Denton Offutt, in the purchase of a general store on credit in New Salem. Although the economy was booming, the business struggled, and Lincoln eventually sold his share. Despite becoming a successful lawyer, Lincoln did not have a degree. He was largely self-educated. His total schooling, obtained from traveling teachers, is estimated to total only around 1 year. Lincoln is known primarily for his leadership during the American Civil War and for signing the Emancipation Proclamation, an executive order changing the legal status of slaves to free. Lincoln is consistently ranked as one of the top 3 presidents of the United States. Along with George Washington and Franklin Roosevelt, most polls of academic historians, political scientists, and the general public put Lincoln as one of the 3 all-time greats.